What's up, everybody? Got the boat with me. We're going down to a river here. I got 4 hours here. Well, maybe more than 4 hours depending on how we play this, but I'll explain that later. But I have at least 4 hours, and I'm going to toss around some topwaters and also some subsurface stuff, see what we can get into on this very secluded river. Looks pretty awesome to me. All right, let's get the boat set up and let's get it in. The light's just starting to come out right now, so it's a good time to get on that topwater bite. Let's do it. Graceful entry. At this point, I'm contemplating leaving the boat on one of these sandbars and just going on foot. Don't really need the boat if I'm willing to wade, which I'm already wet, so it doesn't matter. But it's pretty darn shallow over here. Oh man, that scared me, made me jump. Had one hit right there, but I could feel that coming, man. It's a good spot, but I had to pull my hook out so I didn't get snagged on this log that's right in front of me. I don't know if he'll come back or not. I just had a feeling there was one gonna bite at the last second because I have to pull it out of there before this log. Tack on it. There's a fork stick in the ground, not a good sign. Looks like somebody built a, I don't know what that is. Live well maybe? I don't know. Live well out of sticks. They must have had better luck than I'm having. There we go. Right there. Oh boy. This looks nice. It's not super deep. It's actually not very deep at all, but definitely deep enough to hide a gator. Maybe. I can see a lot of logs in there. I can see the bottom in a lot of places. So maybe, oh, there he is. Yep. What is that? That our pike? Smallie. Nice. I knew there should be a fish in there. Man, look at the colors on that fish. Just crazy. Crazy awesome colors. There we go. Nice looking fish. Okay. Sorry to say, but that broke the skunk. It's been a long time. Had a bunch of bumps, but not a lot of eats. There's one. Oh, he got me a treat. Trying a few different retrieves here. That was kind of went with a really casual, slow retrieve. It's a little smallie with a quick release. Just trying to do a little bit more of a casual, just very slow, being that these fish seem like they're not that bitey right now. They don't really want to topwater, so I'm just going to try and coax them out with just a nice, very subtle little plop. Got one. Had a hit on the last cast too. It'd be funny if they turned on right when I was getting ready to leave. It's a decent smallie right here. It's been so slow, and then I've gotten so many strikes just in the last 15 to 20 minutes in the bright sunshine. I had a hit on the last cast too. This isn't a bad smallie. Good fighter. Take him for sure, see if we can get it in our hand. Oh boy. Nice little football. Made me eat some water. It's all right. Love a little smallie splash on my way out. It's funny, like all that prime time that I was here, first couple hours when it was low light, when I thought they were going to be hitting, they weren't hitting. And now I've started getting a follow almost every brush pile, at least, which is strange a little bit because it's just hot, bright sunshine now. Not what I would say would be great topwater conditions, but maybe they'll get a little more bitey here, even though I'm almost out of time. Wonder if I can pull up on one of these sandbars and get good enough reception to call into my work meeting, huh? It's nice just to see them react like that to the topwater, because they haven't been all morning long. Another one. That was probably that first one that hit me. This one looks a little smaller. Fighting like crazy though. You guys are gonna make me miss my work meeting, fish. He's about the same size, and maybe an inch smaller. Fun size. Can we get a third one out of the same pile? Bright sunshine, straight overhead. Cast it into this brush pile when it was low light. Nothing. There's one. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Come back for it. Dang it. There he is. Came back for it. Nice. I think this is a decent fish. It might be a different one that hit it. Oh yeah, I think I got a little one. That first one was bigger. This one's not bad. This one's not bad. We're going right into the money spot though. That's not a bad fish. He's just barely hooked. That's not a bad one. The mood of these fish has changed dramatically as the sun has got overhead. I guess they're reacting to the warmer weather, which would be the opposite of what I would expect, but oh man, a nice one right here. Oh, he got me around that tree and I lost him. Shoot. That was the biggest of the day. Real nice fish. Not huge. I think he's probably like 16 inches, but doggone it. Man, they're just starting to bite just as I'm getting ready to leave. This is brutal. Got like 7-8 strikes in the last 30 minutes. And I'm already running late. God, got it. Oh man, that's a nice one. That is a nice one. Yep, he's got me turned around. He's getting all kinds of brush. That's a good one. That's a good one. Throw a net on this fish. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, I'm not gonna dig around with him too much because I got a work meeting I gotta get to. Okay, he's loose. Pretty nice one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Pretty long too. Let me check this out here. Ouch. It's over 17. Just a touch over 17 inches. What a take. He was sitting right in here. Best spot in the house. It's right where you would expect him to be. All right, let's put him back. Thank you, dude. Wow. What a fish. All right, can we make the work meeting or not? Oh no, there's my fish basket came out. We just got pandemonium, chaos, everything going on. Okay, man, it's so hard right now to leave this. I mean, I'm getting now takes in every brush pile. Here we go. As fast as I can to my meeting. I guess if I get fired, I'll be able to make a lot more and better videos, so maybe that's good for you guys. But I need something to fund this fishing habit that I have. So I'm going as fast as I can. I'm going as fast as I can. As long as we don't get... Oh, we're gonna have to go to the right of this. Oh, I'm probably gonna have to get out and push us on this. Smallmouth. Here we go. Nice little smallie. Yeah, get in there, Bryce. They're in. I got hit like 3 times. Look, Bryce. Pretty fish. Smallmouth. There you go. And just give it some noise. Whoa! Get the net, Bryce. Get the net. Bryce, I need the net. It's a big one. This is a big one. I think it's a pike. Nope, smallmouth. Here it comes. That one crushed it. You got him? Good job. Pretty good one, huh?
Uh-huh.
Heck yeah. Heck of a fight from that guy. Better get your rod and get in there, dude. There we go. Nice smallmouth. Because he was clear over on the other side there. See, Bryce? Nice smallie. Heck yeah. I wish you could oar us forward, but I got us tied off. Oh, it's a pike. Could be dinner.
It's a pike?
Yep. Told you I thought I was getting a pike ball though. Should we make him dinner?
Uh-huh. If we catch more.
He's not that big, but he's big enough. Oh! I lost him right there, Pricey. He heard me talking about dinner and he's like, I'm getting out of here. Sorry. We'll get the next one. Pull this up a little further. Oh, there we go. It's a good looking brush pile right here. Nice little shady area right over there. There'll be one over here, folks. Gonna be a pike or a big smallie. Bryce is over playing with the boat. He's more into that than fishing, which is fine. I'm the opposite. Here, pikey, pikey. Big pike, Bryce, get the net. Oh, I lost him, Oh. I don't think he'll come back. That was the one, Bryce. Got something else, I don't think it's the same one, but yeah, it's a little one. It's a smallie. It's a walleye. Walleye hitting on top. Should we keep him?
Uh-huh.
It's not that big, but we'll keep him.
Can we eat him to keep him to eat?
Yeah, he's not that big, but he's big enough to eat. Little walleye, pretty small. 13 inches maybe. Yep, put him in there. Here. Just like that. Wing it clear back in there. I think we need something under the surface too. Those walleye, I'll never hit on this. Oh, there's another one. Walleye? Nope. Smallmouth. Oh, lost him. I'm losing a lot of fish. What's going on with my hooks? Whoa, 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 whoa. Got something. Good smallmouth. I think it's a smallmouth. Yep. Come catch him. Come catch him. There's some logs down there to get into, but here you go. He's pulling hard, so get ready. Crank him in. No, don't give him slack. He's got a tree to go into. There you go. Pulling pretty hard?
No.
I tired him out. It's a nice smallmouth. All right, didn't even need a net. It's a good one. That guy.
He's big.
Yeah, he is. Biggest one we caught today for sure. Nice fatty. There it goes. Pretty nice take on that guy. Yeah, I just want to see what he's talking about, this log jam. It must be this right in front of us. Just wait, I think the deep hole is coming up. We might want to. Let's look at those colors. Here we go. Nice, I'm getting you right now. Pull this hand down so we can see the fish. Curl your fingers. Smile. Nice one. Okay, let's put him back. You want to release him? Turn him right side up. He'll figure it out. All right, good job. Camera shut off. Ran out of battery right before that fish hit. But it's a heck of a fight. It's like a 16-inch smallmouth, 15-inch maybe, 15, 16. And he had me through about 3 or 4 logs. We managed to horse him out of there. He was clear back in the back there. See if we can't get ourselves tangled up again with another. There's another one. Got another one, Brycey. It's the third one over there. He's not that big. Yeah, he's not that big. It is. It is, and I can't get him over the tree. There we go. I got him. He's a little one. This might be one you can hold. He's got some cool camo patterns on him. Smile. All right, you want to release him? Good job. He shot right back in there. Huh? He shot right back under these logs. I saw him fly under there. This spot's a good spot. Yeah, you ready to go? Got another one, Brycey. This spot's just awesome for smallmouth. Too bad it's not awesome for pike. Another smallmouth. They're all pretty small though. There we go. That one's got a cool pattern on him. All right, Captain, we better head back. Don't you think? Getting pretty late. Oh gosh. What do you got set up for me here? What do you got set up? Yeah, pretty good one. No, don't drop it now. Don't drop it now, Bryce. It's too late. We're gonna watch out because we're in danger here. Bryce, we're gonna hit something. Like we're gonna hit it. Prepare for impact.